Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so the booster can perform. Plug the booster into a stable outlet. Make sure it matches the voltage and uses a surge protector. Once done, check modem and router firmware versions and confirm compatibility. This prevents handshake errors. You should also record baseline signal strength and internet speeds and note device locations. This gives a reference to measure improvement. Move quickly. These checks save time later and explain why placement, power, and firmware matter to stability. Now you install and configure the connection stabilizer booster. Place it midway between the router and the weak area. Avoid metal objects and appliances that cause interference, because physical obstacles change propagation. Next, connect via Ethernet for reliable backhaul if possible. Otherwise, run the wireless setup wizard and clone, or create a distinct SSID and secure password. Then log into the admin interface to adjust channel, bandwidth, and transmit power so signals overlap without causing co-channel congestion. This balances coverage and throughput. Finish by validating and troubleshooting the setup so it stays stable. Run speed and latency tests on several devices and confirm consistent improvements. Make sure roaming is seamless if you use the same SSID. If results lag, fine-tune placement with small shifts of 0.5 to 1 meter and retest. LED status lights guide you. If problems persist, restart the booster and router, check firmware for updates, reset to defaults if needed, and try changing backhaul from wireless to wired. This sequence resolves most faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.